Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable startup apps in Windows step by step. Disabling startup apps can help your computer start faster and improve overall performance. So let's get started. First, click the Start button and open Settings. Next, select Apps. Then, click on Startup. Here, you'll see a list of apps that start automatically when you sign into Windows. Find the app you want to disable. Then, click the toggle switch next to the app to turn it off. Repeat the same steps for any other startup apps you want to disable. Your changes will be saved automatically. The next time you restart your computer, the disabled apps will no longer launch automatically. And that's it. You've successfully disabled startup apps in Windows. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Windows tutorials and tips. See you in the next one.